Today I'm going to review the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom. Don't let the size of this Ultimate Ears Wonderboom fool you. Surprisingly, this pint-sized ultra-portable Bluetooth wireless speaker packs plenty of punch. With this in mind, the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom Bluetooth Speaker provides a powerful 360-degree sound with a max level of 86 dBA. Furthermore, with the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom Pairing option, you can double the sound with the unique ability to pair two Bluetooth speakers together. The Ultimate Ears Wonderboom possesses impressive IPX7 waterproofing technology. As a matter of fact, it has the ability to immerse in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. Furthermore, the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom waterproof Bluetooth speaker has the ability to float. Ultimately, this is great for pools and beaches. Ultimate Ears Wonderboom also stayed intact successfully, being dropped from an impressive 1.7 meters. All in all, a very durable Bluetooth wireless speaker. Equally important, the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom Bluetooth speaker provides 10 hours of battery life, which makes it a great choice for long-term trips. Furthermore, it charges in a very efficient 2.8 hours. Ultimate Ears Wonderboom has the ability to support an impressive 100-foot Bluetooth wireless range. Not to mention, with the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom, you have the ability to pair 8 Bluetooth-enabled sources device. It provides a very easy navigation with tap-to-play, pause, and skip buttons, accessibly located on the device. In conclusion, anyone looking for an ultra-portable, great-sounding, reasonably priced wireless Bluetooth headphone, I would highly recommend the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom. Presently, the lowest price you can buy it for is at Amazon.com. If you are interested in purchasing this product or any other product on Amazon.com, please consider using my affiliate links.